Hi guys, I'm Dr. Ayala. I'm one of the partners here at Amarillo Family Physicians. So today I would like to talk to you about hormones. Whether you're a male or a female experiencing fatigue, decreased libido, you're having afternoon crashes, weight gain around your midsection, you're having poor sleep, maybe more anxiety, brain fog, your workouts aren't doing as well as they used to, you might have a hormone deficiency. For men, I see this a lot of times reaching early 40s and older where your testosterone levels drop. For females, perimenopause can start as early as your mid-30s all the way through to when you go through menopause in your 50s. There's a lot of evidence behind hormone replacement therapy. When you go into your appointment today, talk to your provider if you're experiencing any of these symptoms and get tested to see if you're deficient in any of your hormones and are a candidate for hormone replacement therapy. There are different ways to do this. We offer bio-T pellets by some of our providers, as well as injection administration and topical creams. So there's not just one way to make you feeling your best and have overall health and wellness. So we'll find out which way is best for you.